Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is Vantage. It's pronounced Vantage, and it's spelt V-A-N-T-A-G-E. Think Vant and then the word age. A vantage is a place or position with a good view of something. For example, you could say, from my vantage point on the roof, I could see into the front garden. The word vantage comes from the Anglo-French word vantage, meaning advantage. A good vantage gives you an advantage. The word vantage is usually used in the expression vantage point, meaning the point or position of vantage. In other words, a position with a good view. The expression vantage point dates back to 1865. Before that, people used to say vantage ground, which means the same thing, but this saying is not commonly used anymore. Vantage is a noun. For example, you could say, the observatory deck is a great vantage point for viewing the city. Or you could say, from their vantage point, on top of the cliff, they could see all the ships coming and going. Vantage is defined in the dictionary as a position giving a strategic advantage, commanding perspective, or the best view. Vantage's synonyms include viewpoint, standpoint, stance, position, outlook, and perspective. Antonyms include block, blockage, debt, disadvantage, disfavor, hindrance, and hurt. See if you can find a good vantage point today. It could be your bedroom window or the top of a hill. Impress your friends and family by telling them that you have a good vantage point. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.